Hi everyone, in this video we learn about changing percentage into fraction. That's continuation from previous video. So in this time we see how to change percentage when they are more than 100%, how we can change into fractions. So actually when we change 100%, more than 100% percentages into fractions, we get mixed fraction. So we'll see how. Let's see the first example. The first example is changing 120%. So 120%, usually the same method we follow, the two methods, dividing by 100 and simplifying. So we divide 120 by 100. So the greater common factor for this will be 20. So 20 multiplied by 6 is the same as 120. And 20 multiplied by 5 is 100. So we can cancel easily 20 by 20. So the rest will be 6/5 is abnormal fraction, meaning the numerator is greater than the denominator, so we can change it by dividing 6 divided by 5. 6 divided by 5 is 1 time 5 is 5. Subtract 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 cannot divide by 5, so what is will be the result is 1 and 1/5. So this one will be written here, and this one is be written here. So 1 and 1/5. So 6/5 is equal to 1 and 1/5. So next example number 2. Let's change 250%. So as usual, 250% means 250 over 100. 250, the greater common factor for 250 and 100 is 50 itself. So 250 means 50 multiplied by 5, and 10 means 100 means 50 multiplied by 2. So because the greater common factor for 250 and 100 is 50. So 250 divided by 50 is 5 times 100 divided by 5, 50 is 50. So we can cancel 50 by 50. The result will be 5/2. Again, 5/2 is not normal fraction. The numerator is greater than the denominator. So we can divide 5 by 2. It is 2 times 2 is 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 cannot be divided into 2. So we put these 2 as 2 and this one as a numerator, and this 2, the divider, will be the bottom. Okay, so what does this mean? 5/2 is the same as 2 and 1/2. Mixed fraction form for 250. Okay, let's go next example. In the middle you can stop and do your own. Number 3, it is 310%. Again, 310 means 310 over 100 usually. Okay, so the greater common factor between 310 and 100 is 10. So 310 divided by 10 is 31 times. 31 times 10 is 300. This is 10 divided by 100 divided by 10 is 10 times. So 10 times 31 and 10 times 10. 10. So they have common, or both in numerator and the denominator, so we have to cancel them. 10 by 10 will go, so what is remaining will be 31 over 10. Okay, 31 over 10, again it is in not normal, so we can divide. 31 divided by 10 is 3 times. 3 times 10 is 30. Minus 31 minus 30 is 1. So 1 cannot be divided, therefore the answer will be 3. So this 3 come here, and this come like 1 over the divisor 10. So 31 over 10, in other words, is the same as 3 and 1 over 10. This is a mixed fraction for 310. 3 and 1 over 10. Don't get mistaken, this 3 is in the middle, okay? It is supposed to be here. Example 4, we have 490%. 490% is the same as 490 over 100. Okay, the greater common factor between 490 and 100 is again 10. So 490 means 10 multiplied by 49. 100 is 10 multiplied by 10. So we can cancel or simplify by 10 here and by 10 here. Okay, so the result, final result, is not final, but for now, 49 over 10. So 49 over 10 can be divided because it's 49 is greater than 10. So let's divide 49 by 10. It's 4 times. 4 times 10 is 40, the maximum we can do. Subtract 49 minus 40 is 9. 9 is less than 10, so I cannot do nothing. Therefore, 49 will be 4 and 9 over 10. 4 and 9 over 10 will be the final result. To change it into a mixed fraction. Next example, or the last one, it is 660%. Okay, 660 again is 660 divided by 100. So the greatest common factor between 660 and 100 is 20. Therefore, this is 20. 660 divided by 20 is 33 times. And 100 divided by 20 is 5 times. So 20 can be cancelled by 20. And the results will be 33 over 5. So 33 over 5 means 33 divided by 5 is 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30. Subtract 3. So this will be 6 and 3 over 5. Okay, so the 33 and over 5 is 6 and 3 over 5. Okay, for you, try this one, please. 870% into fraction and put it on the comment. Thank you for today.